Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to check CPU architecture in AlmaLinux 8 operating system. So it's a very simple way to get the CPU architecture. CPU architecture is nothing but to check whether your CPU is 32-bit or 64-bit. So first what I am going to do is open the terminal, hostname.ctl. So hostname.ctl command shows the architecture. So last line you can see that architecture has got displayed. So this command even customized by using grep. You can extract that architecture. Yes. So like that you can check the architecture. This is the first way. Another way, arch command. Arch command directly displays the CPU architecture. Arch command. Next, uname -m. So uname -m also displays the CPU architecture directly. So this is the way we need to check the CPU architecture in AlmaLinux 8 operating system.